How car depreciation works and which models best hold value. Car depreciation is one of the biggest hidden costs of ownership. The moment a new car leaves the dealership, it begins to lose value, typically 20 to 30% in the first year alone. But understanding how depreciation works can help buyers make smarter decisions and even save thousands over the life of a vehicle. Depreciation is influenced by reliability, brand reputation, demand, running costs, and how quickly new models are released. Cars with strong reliability records or loyal fan bases tend to hold value better. Meanwhile, vehicles with costly maintenance, poor fuel economy, or frequent redesigns tend to lose value faster. Certain brands consistently rank as the best for resale value. Toyota and Lexus models often depreciate the slowest due to their reputation for longevity. Trucks like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford F-150 remain in high demand, making them top performers in resale markets. On the luxury side, Porsche models stand out, especially the 911, which retains value far better than most high-end cars. Electric vehicles are improving, but depreciation varies widely between brands. Models with long range and strong charging networks like Tesla tend to hold value better than early-generation EVs with outdated batteries. In short, choosing a car that holds its value isn't just about brand. It's about understanding what buyers want in the used market. Reliability, demand, and smart engineering are what truly make a vehicle a long-term investment.